All right, listen up, germaphobes. The FDA now banning a wide range of ingredients from antibacterial soaps.
Yeah, that's right. So they say it really doesn't work and could actually make things worse, believe it or not, by creating more resistant germs. So joining us now is Dr. Devi, an associate professor at NYU School of Medicine. And you know what? You just can't win. Now it's antibacterials, hand sanitizers. What do you do?
Well, so you can use regular soap, of course, which doesn't include some of these ingredients. So the FDA has banned 19 ingredients. Now, most of them aren't being used anyway, but one of them, triclosan, is the one that prompted this controversy. So this is something that actually has been shown to work in the past in toothpaste. It helped prevent gingivitis. But the thing is, we're not sure that it actually helps people in these other products. So it's used in a ton of other things besides toothpaste. So
Greg
a lot
looks
of hand
really
soaps.
confused. He's
Well,
not liking this.
Here's the deal.
Yeah.
So the FDA gave advance warning to these companies and said, look, provide us with your research to prove that it does what you say it does. Instead of providing the research, they changed the ingredients, which makes me, as a lawyer, immediately suspicious that some funny business going on with these companies and their ingredients.
Well, I feel the same way as a doctor. I would rather have the studies that show that it's effective or that it's safe rather than switch to now they're using some other ingredients that also haven't been shown to be necessarily safe or effective. But they have about a year to provide the research on those ingredients. So it does seem like you're just sort of going around in a circle as opposed to providing the data, right? But to be fair, for these ingredients, just so people don't get alarmed, I mean, the way that it works, like triclosan in particular, is that the cell has a membrane. So it's sort of like your front door of your house, where it allows certain things in, keeps other things out, right? So this product actually disrupts that front door or cell membrane for bacteria. So it might be effective and it might be safe, but we don't know. I mean, the preliminary studies, though, in animals suggested it might interfere with people's hormones, especially thyroid hormone. It might affect your immune system.
I'm just going to stop washing my hands. I mean, why even do it anymore?
Soap is still safe, so this is regular soap is fine.
This is what the FDA said about it. They say consumers may think antibacterial washes are more effective at preventing the spread of germs, but we have no, as you said, no scientific evidence that they are any better than plain soap and water. In fact, some data suggests that antibacterial ingredients may do more harm than good over the long term.
Which is the point you were just making. But the front part of that statement is interesting. We have no evidence, they said.
Exactly.
Well, that's because the companies didn't provide the evidence.
True. And then there's also another irony to this. I mean, the FDA regulates certain products, right? But this material or a lot of these chemicals are also found in toys and furniture. They coat these products so that kids don't spread germs, for example. So the FDA doesn't regulate those things. So it's still out in the environment. It would still be in our water system or in our bodies,
Like I
right?
said, you can't win, Greg.
Okay, I'm with you. We're not going to wash our hands ever.
Never again.
I'm not going to take a shower either.
Debbie, thank you for being here.
Oh, nice seeing you.
Thanks.
Happy Labor Day.
Happy Labor Day.